It's the e-commerce minute, your daily dose of e-commerce, tech, and retail news, with your hosts Bart Mraz and John Suter. The e-commerce minute is a production of Sumo Heavy, a digital commerce consulting firm in Brooklyn, New York, and Philadelphia. Find us on the web at sumoheavy.com. It's the e-commerce minute for February 22nd, 2018.
In today's episode, eBay wants to make shopping and selling fun again.
eBay is trying to make the platform fun again. According to a report posted on Bloomberg, the e-commerce marketplace will be rolling out new augmented reality features this year to make shopping and selling on the site more engaging. eBay will also be exploring a credit program for sellers to encourage them to keep their money on the platform. That feature will become possible as eBay transitions to a new payment provider after its relationship with longtime partner PayPal. The report goes on to say that eBay is working on an AR kit that, for example, will let car enthusiasts see how the images of new wheels would look on their vehicles before making a purchase. Another feature will help sellers select the correct box size for an item by overlaying an image of the box on the merchandise. eBay also announced that it hired data scientist Jan Peterson to run its artificial intelligence efforts that will bring new shopping experiences to the marketplace. Peterson was most recently VP of data science at Twitter. eBay's key strategies to maintain growth include improving the way artificial intelligence and data are used to personalize what visitors see on the homepage and introducing features such as the AR tools to make online shopping more fun, Mohan Pat, eBay's Vice President of Buyer Experiences, said in an interview. The goal is to expand eBay's customer reach beyond shoppers who know precisely what they want to enthusiasts in different categories seeking inspiration, Pat said. Personalization is all about getting you to buy the things you didn't know you wanted. eBay had a strong holiday quarter with 170 million buyers on the platform and a 10% increase in gross merchandise volume to 24.4 billion with a B.
All right, all the other retailers, learn from eBay. You make it fun.
Make it fun. Make it fun to shop.
Well, it's not even fun. I think it's more of let's make different experiences, right? Like, it's not just shopping. You can shop anywhere. I mean, Amazon's just kicking everybody's butt.
Yeah, but why do you shop at Amazon? You shop at Amazon for price. So somebody's got to come up with another point of difference. I think this AR stuff could be pretty interesting. Mm-hmm. I've been a longtime seller and buyer on eBay, and I've noticed how the platform's changed over the last few years. For a while, we're going to, start dinging the little guys and raising the fees. And then they realized that was a mistake and kind of came back to the core business. But now I think it's sort of a hybrid between Amazon and the little sellers.
Right.
But the days of just cleaning out your closet and making money on eBay are, I think, long gone, only because the fees and shipping is just too cost prohibitive. So
yeah, I mean, I don't think they're long gone. They're there. You just got to be in that play, know how to use it, and
yeah.
Because,
I guess I should
let go, and Amazon Marketplace is definitely killing them.
Right. I guess I should clarify. It's just the people who are trying to sell something that's got a value of 75 cents. You'd have to sell multiples of thousands of units to make any money.
Exactly.
You used to be able to just pull something out of your closet and put it on eBay and anybody would buy it.
Yeah. I mean, now it's you really got to work that. You got to work the system, and you got to know what you're doing with it. It's a little work.
Yeah, and like I said, eBay is appealing. If you go on their homepage now, they're really pushing the new merchandise. But obviously, if you're on there searching, they do what Amazon does, is they personalize a little bit more. So I see a lot of more vintage stuff when I go on there. But I think, and even if you look at a lot of the advertising they do now, they're really trying to push towards new merchandise to compete against Amazon.
Yep, that sounds amazing.
All right, and I just wanted to mention, I don't know if you can hear over the din of the blenders. It's today's National Margarita Day, so
start up the blender.
Start your blenders.
Whee!
All right, anything else besides National Margarita Day?
That's about it.
All right, that's your e-commerce minute for today. We'll see you on the internet tomorrow. That's it for today's show. If you like the show, do us a favor and subscribe or leave us a review on iTunes. And don't forget, you can now listen to the e-commerce minute on your Amazon device. Just add e-commerce minute to your flash briefing. And finally, if you have a comment or suggestion or just want to say hi, find us on social media at Sumo Heavy.
The podcast you just heard was recorded with Anchor. If you want to make your own, download the Android or iOS app completely free from anchor.fm/podcast. That's anchor.fm/podcast.